Okuyonja orurembo rwa Fort Portal eriizooba kwayetabwamu abantu batari bamwe na bamwe kandi omuri aba haba harimu omuhikirwa w'obukama bwa Tooro ow'ekitiinisa Calvin Armstrong Romere Akiiki. Omuhikirwa Romere yagira ngu enkora ya burungi bwansi terikukwata aha buyonjo bwa Tooro bwonka kwereka hoona neekwata n'aha kukuuma ekitiinisa ky'obukama hamwe n'amagara g'abantu boona.
Ruruga leadership rwabaga ruyonjo abantu bamanyaga Tooro bayonjo amaka gaitu twakuziri gabangaje hati nyo nisaba ngo entekerezo yetu ehinduke mutekerezeho tutandike ikintu kya baragira kiki abatooro entekerezo yetu ya abasubuzi bano bayizire. Kano
Richard Keseguya orukukorera ebikwekweto hamwe n'ebyokutendeka hari Mountain Division niwe yakiikirira mukuru wa division egi kandi yagira ngu okutuura omu mwanya gw'oburofa n'ekintu kibi munonga.
As you all know, our health is dependent on the cleanliness of the areas where we live.
Kano Seguya hoona nashoborera ngu ebyo buyonjo byine akakwate n'entunguka y'omwanya otiireho n'abantu.
And when the treasury is smiling, even government activities run very smoothly. The roads are constructed, the hospitals are constructed, there are drugs in hospitals.
It may not be necessarily of what we are doing, but hygiene is very important in every community. In every community, hygiene is very important, and we have to know the advantages of having a good city, a city which is hygienically okay.
We Atoko Musa omwebembezi w'abashubuzi omuri Fort Portal nagira ngu orurembo rw'orurofa nikireetera abarambuzi babura kandi eki nikimanyisa ngu nk'abashubuzi tibarikutunga kasente.
Okwo hata hachafu amazima gani abakasoma tukubafuna nabwe kirinterera abashubuzi bananyacyange bona nambe bali buno omuranga muraburaga ngo kutungani nyimukire mukacyamano wanyu mwije twegeite hamu tulo twakilininga site yitu.
Harriet Nyakake ori omuhwezi wa mushirwa w'obukama bwa Tooro nayenda habeho enkwatanisa mu bukama bwa Tooro abwehurira zimwe na zimwe obwo Tooro yaba neetebekanisiza emikoro y'empango ey'omurundi gwa 30 erabeho okwezi okurukwija.
Ekibanza okwezi okurukwija lekitwena twatanize turole ngo obwire bureja kwiko bw'empango etawuni yetu oburambuza abantu bengi abarkwija hampango basange ekibuga cyaitu kisoka kurungi nitutahise ekitiinisa kandi abantu tubabatangira n'oburofu.
Link Bus is now part of this operation. Thank you so much. Red Cross, Tayari West, thank you so much for being part of this. And going forward, I want to see that this is not only conflict, UPDF. I want to see our Tooro squasim. Habako kintuki orugo rukatulin abarambuzi bakaija nojagamba we have to go to Fort Portal, a clean city, and they give money to these businesses.
Orurembo rwa Fort Portal ni rumwe aha ndembo ezikukizayo obuyonjo konka buri izooba obukama bwa Tooro abebembezi ebitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe n'abantu nibafayo kukuuma omutindo ogu. Eki nikyereka ngu buri omwe yafayo nitubaasa kugira endembo omu Uganda enyonjo okuhika aha rurengo orwa Fort Portal nangwa n'okukiraho. Makuru aga gashakwa Justin Nyakisiki kuruga kuri omuri Fort Portal.